everybody. Well, I am back with another video. I did the one with got rid of all the plants. That was white mildew is what they called. I think it's what they called it. I went through and did all that cleaning up, leaf blowed it, and I treated it, and I'll see how it goes. I mean, it's only been not long since I've done that. But you see some places that is empty now. And there's some places with some new growth coming up that I planted a while back. In one of my other videos, I may have not posted yet, but will be soon. Now I am up here with my bin of all my little goodies. My seed log, and that's a container full of some seeds for winter. Seeds that you can plant now, protein shake, and a canned water, you know. So my goal is to go through and try to backfill the empty spots, so we have a fall and a winter garden going, so we can keep a garden going throughout most of the year if possible. Okay, I have been sitting here sorting through my seeds that I'm going to plant to backfill after I worked in the garden the other day. And then I sat here and walked the garden and see what was already in here and the locations where they are, where places that needs to be filled, and figured out what I needed to do. So now I'm going to work on that and see how everything works out, and hopefully maybe everything will come up. Some of these plants I have never planted before. Some of them I have and had good, time with it, and everything did well. And some of them I've never done it before. So like I said, in gardening, you must always try to figure out and see what works for you. Sometimes if it doesn't work the first time, you can always try it another time or two. I always overseed, because usually if I overseed, something will come up, and I'd rather weed out more so I could transplant somewhere else when something didn't come up. So I do a lot of over transplanting. So that there is everything that I have done so far, and I am fixing to plant these. And I think that might be it for this video, because that's all I'm going to do is plant these seeds and see how they come up, and I will give y'all an update later on. Thank you for watching, and God bless.